Okay, so today we will discuss how to say there is some time domain data you have captured in some Excel file or something kind of that, and how to do the detailed FFT analysis in MATLAB. Okay, so here I have there is some time domain data. It is captured in one file called out.csv. So the first column is representing the time, and the second column it will be representing the actual value. So first we need to read the data and in some variable. So I am taking that variable name as dt. Then the command is xls read, then the file name within inverted comma, that is out dot csv. Once you do that, so the data is now appearing. You can see in the right side in the workspace. So these are the values. So as I told, the time is equal to the first column. So that means all row of first column, and your value or the voltage you can write that is equal to dt all row second column. Okay, if you can plot it t comma v, you can see that is your the data. Okay, so for this data we are going to do the Fourier analysis or FFT analysis. Okay, so now I will go to Simulink and opening a blank model. So this is the blank model and this is the library browser. So the things it is needed is scope. So this is the scope. Then one from workspace, means we will be going to capture the data from the workspace. So you can see where it is. You see, this is the from workspace. Then you need to add power GUI. You add it. Okay. So here you have to give that as it is t comma v. Then you have to go to the model parameter settings, and here if you see the Excel file, I am not showing you. So this is 0 to 0.1 second, and this is take as fixed step, and the solver you select as Rangi Kutta method, and the step size already it is there. The sampling frequency, the sampling time is uh, 10 to the power minus 5 seconds. So if you apply it, then you go to the scope, and here go to the logging, and here you create as structure with time, and you apply it. Now if I run, you see in the workspace, mm, you know, you should know this variable name. I have given the variable name as scope data. Okay, Now if I run, you see what are the variables are here in the workspace. There are basically three variables. Now if I run it, you see one more variable here. It is coming from the simulation. The name is out. Okay. Now if you see what is inside that out, if you click it, you see inside that out there is a mm, signal called scope data. That only we want to work. Okay. So that is a voltage. That voltage is equal to inside the out. Exactly, we want the scope data. See, now the voltage has come as a structure with time. So now if you go to this and this tool and go to the FFT, you see already that voltage that has come. And here the fundamental frequency is actually 50 hertz, and we have taken 0.1. That means it is, you can take it is, that is basically the 5 cycles. See, now the red line is up to this. If you click 5 cycles, the complete, it has been completed. Now if you now here you see there are options are there. Now if you click on the compute, see there are already if you see that there are two prominent frequency we have in that data. It is there, one is 50 hertz, another is 300 hertz. So now you can see the amplitude also. So the 50 hertz was the 10 volt, and this was uh, I think 5 volt. So you see it is a, this is showing 50 and this is showing, or you can see these things you can uh, relative to fundamentals. If you can compute, you see the fundamental is 100%, and compared to that this was 300, it was, you see, 50%. So that means if that was 10 volt, so it will be 50% of 10 volt is 5 volt. So what exactly we have uh, seen there. Okay. So this is the way that any time domain data you can import into MATLAB, and then you can uh, take into workspace and go for the further FFT analysis using the Power GUI interface used in the available in Simulink. Okay, so hope you have understood it. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience.